So I'm up at the Kotor cable car. It's actually 3,900 meters long and 1,316 meters up. You can actually see now high up we are. We're right at the top of the mountain. And, that down there is the marina where we're going to be for the winter. And you'll see this island over here, and there's a cutout in the island, in the middle of the island. You might be able to see it there, and that's where just Peachy's tucked in there. But a beautiful view from the top of the lookout post of the cable car. So a really beautiful view on a beautiful day. It's nice and cool up here. It's about 8 degrees cooler than down there. That's about 31 degrees, 32 today. You can see why Montenegro is a playground for boats. There's so many boats going here and there. A beautiful place. It must be stunning in the winter as well when it's snow-capped. But yeah, absolutely beautiful view. Well worth the visit to the top of the Kotor cable car. They've done this cable car place pretty well. There's a nice little restaurant here, and cable car is exceptionally quick. It's the fastest cable car I've ever been on. They actually move pretty quickly, but yes, this view is literally stunning. That little island down there, if you can see, is where just Peachy's actually anchored behind.
Isa pa?
Isa pa? Alam mo, hindi namin sasakyan yung cruise. Ha? Kasi iba-ibang klaseng sasakyan ng pagtubig ng sinakyan natin. Namangkala kayo.
Sige, pag-sabi. Sige, sama.